Okay, so I got a pair of gaskets on eBay for the passenger side mirror. These one was bought. This is the original that was worn out. This is the replacement I got on eBay, and pretty much they look the same except in order to get these wires through the gasket. This is the factory one. It was factory installed so that these wires can go through this hole, but in order to get these through the hole I would have to make um, this is the factory one. I would have to make this slit a little higher, bigger, so they fit in, but other than that I think these should work.